Here's a question worth asking. If you stepped away tomorrow, would your agency's retention process keep running? For many independent agencies, the honest answer is no. Policy reviews, follow up calls, client check ins often live in someone's head, and it's usually the busiest person in the office. When that person gets pulled in another direction, things start slipping through the cracks. And that's the retention risk most agencies never see coming. Because the problem isn't people, it's process. I'm Shannon Chatman, an advisor with Agent for the Future, an industry initiative by Liberty Mutual that helps independent insurance agents stay ahead of emerging trends. With more than 25 years of insurance marketing experience, I work with agencies to build systems that make strong client relationships repeatable, even during those busy seasons. According to Liberty Mutual's 2026 Independent Agency Growth Study, agencies with improving retention rates are about 10 percentage points more likely to have a formal process for policy reviews and client education. 10 points may not sound dramatic, but it represents something very, very important. Retention driven by a system, not by memory. And for most agencies, that system should live inside their agency management system they're already using, because most AMS platforms can automate renewal reminders, flag policy reviews, and track client communications. Yet many agencies aren't taking full advantage of those capabilities. If you're not sure what your system can do, it's worth having that conversation with your provider, because your goal is simple. Create a workflow that delivers consistent client experience every time. Automate reminders. Assign ownership so someone is accountable for the process. And review it regularly to make sure it still fits your agency as your book of business grows. The study also found that the agencies with the strongest retention rates are using AI to create more time for client relationships. More than half of agencies with improving retention say AI tools have saved them meaningful time. So those most successful agencies are reinvesting that time into client reviews, conversation, and relationship building. Those human interactions that technology can support but never replace. A retention process that lives in someone's head is only one distraction away from breaking down. So build it into your systems instead. Automate the tasks that create consistency. Assign that ownership, and use the time you save to focus on conversation that keeps clients connected to your agency. For more research, tools, and guidance on strengthening client retention, visit agentforthefuture.com. You'll find practical resources designed to help independent agencies build stronger client relationships and sustainable growth. And be sure to join our email list for new insights and resources from the Agent for the Future advisors.